Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, please still hit that like button. And please leave a comment. And yeah, guys, so let's get into this weather. So the Atlantic is finally starting to ramp up, actually. So this morning, Tropical Depression 5 has officially formed on the National Hurricane Center. And we have another disturbance, which we will go on that after we cover Tropical Depression 5 and Invest 98L, which Invest 98L has still not formed into Tropical Depression 5 or 6 yet. So since already 5 formed, it should be Tropical Depression 6 if it forms. Now, I don't predict this thing being a tropical storm anymore because, models don't even show it at all being a tropical storm, not even a tropical depression. And guys, so let's get into Tropical Depression 5. So it says maximum sustained winds 35 miles per hour and its movement west at 12 miles per hour. So it is expected to become a tropical storm 8 a.m. Sunday and a hurricane by 8 a.m. Wednesday. And by 8 a.m. Tuesday, it might make landfall on the Leeward Islands. And then, probably later Thursday, it might make landfall in the I do not know how to pronounce Dominican Republic. Yeah, sorry. And it might make landfall there as a hurricane. And people are still saying that it's going to be a Category 3, but I do not predict it as a Category 3. The highest that I will predict it right now is a Category 2. Because I do not predict it as a Category 3. Category 3 is too high. And although it's a little bit too late for a Category 3 in the season because it's August. And by now, last year we would have had Harvey by now. But that was not Harvey, but 2017 we would have had Harvey by now. But yeah, guys. Now let's cover Invest 98L, which has a lot to say. And it might even form today. So oh wow. So guys, I'm just going to read all this for you. A broad area of low pressure located inland over South Florida is producing a large area of disorganized showers and thunderstorms that extends eastward over the northwestern Bahamas and the adjacent Atlantic waters. Significant development of the low is unlikely today while just northward over the southern or central Florida peninsula. However, environmental conditions appear conducive for gradual development once the low moves off the east central coast of Florida over the western Atlantic by Sunday, and a tropical or subtropical depression is likely to form early next week while the system moves northeastward offshore of the southeastern United States coast. Regardless of development, locally heavy rains are possible over the northwestern Bahamas and the southern and central Florida peninsula during the weekend. Interests in the northern Bahamas, the Florida peninsula, and the southeastern coast of the United States should monitor the progress of the system. The Air Force Reserve Hurricane Hunter aircraft scheduled to investigate the system this afternoon has been canceled. Another aircraft is scheduled to investigate the system on Sunday. So, formation chance through 48 hours, which is 2 days, high 70%. Information chance through 5 days, high 90%. Now, I know we've been covering this system for a while, and we only covered Tropical Depression 5 since literally yesterday. Yesterday it just became a tropical disturbance, and today became a tropical depression. I think that's something happened like that. I think it was Chantel when we did not think it was forming, but it actually did form. But another system formed rapidly in one day. I think that was Andrea. I don't remember. Oh, wow, look at that one. Surface observations in satellite imagery indicate that a low-pressure area has formed just off the upper Texas and southwestern Louisiana coast. The Associated Tower and thunderstorm activity show signs of organization. However, the system is likely to move inland over eastern Texas and western Louisiana before significant development can occur. Regardless of development, this system is expected to bring locally heavy rains to portions of Louisiana and eastern Texas during the next day or two. So information chance through 48 hours, which is 2 days, low 10%. Information chance through 5 days, low 10%. So I do not think this is going to form at all. And we see disorganized showers right here, which I think is going to be Invest 91L by probably tomorrow, which is next week. And then we have Chantel, which is somewhere. I think that is Chantel. I don't know. Maybe it's over here. No, it's right here. Chantel's right here, there. So this might be a disorganized showers, and that actually might form into a depression and nothing else. And guys, we're now going to check on Tropical Tidbits to see what's up. So we are on Tropical Tidbits on Tropical Depression 5, and it says maximum winds 30 knots and minimum central pressure 1010. And so as we go down, some models don't predict it being a hurricane, and some models actually predict it hitting Georgia and South Carolina borders. So, most models were wrong, most of them, because they predicted lower. And one model just had to go to Category 2, which I think I'm going to stick with, because yesterday we saw Category 3. I believe it was yesterday. So remnants of Chancel or Chantel. Wow, they said Category 1. That's impossible. All it's going to do is do a little loop. That's the weakest I ever saw low pressure. And why would you do this? Category 1? Category 1 is impossible because it's weak. Tropical Storm Ivo, forgot to cover on that. But that formed like 2 days ago. 40 miles per hour. They're saying it's going to really. And so do they still? Yes! Invest 90AL. So let's check out the. Wait a bit, guys. And guys, this actually does look pretty disorganized. It doesn't have a circulation at all. Just looks like it's trying to form itself. That's so satisfying to just watch. And this might not affect any land, but it did already affect the Bahamas and parts of Florida. So, and then we have Invest 90L. And we have Invest 90L. I do see some circulation from this system. I do see some, but not much at all from this system. Yeah, like I said, I'm repeating myself. And so what they're saying is they don't even predict it to go any further. Some model just had to predict another loop. It's the same one that predicted a loop, I think, yesterday. And it said that it's expected to be a tropical depression in 72 hours, which a lot of them don't even predict it being a tropical depression at all. So some models just predicted going up, which I believe is going to go up and then just form probably right there. But a lot of them just predicted getting stronger on land. Only 2 models predicted being a tropical storm. And yeah, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I have 2 shout-outs to give to people. Make sure you guys subscribe to the Weather Kid. I like his videos, and he taught me how to show a channel, like, a channel at the end of the video, like when it pops up. Like, I did not know how to do that until this video showed me, so I will just recommend you to watch him. And now we have another shout out. The second shout out I like to give to is the phone expert. I really like his talking hurricane videos. And I did watch some, but I'm on a different account. But basically, you guys get it. I really like his videos, and I recommend you watch him. And he's like literally almost there to 1K, but not almost there, but he's almost there to 900, which is good also. And he's like almost there to 1K, so hopefully you guys will subscribe to both of them. And bye, guys.